and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with me today. Today we're going to make a pansy card. Have you seen the beautiful Pansy Patch stamp set and the Pansy Dies? Well, today we're going to be using the Pansy Dies to make some lovely pansies. And we're making blue pansies today because we can have any color pansies we like. Look at this. Lots of die cutting. So I have pre-cut all these bits. So we have the bearded one, which we've cut one in white. The outline to that is then done in Pacific Point. Then his hairy beard is in Night of Navy, and his little tiny, it looks like an egg shape, middle bit is in Bumblebee. Then I have two balmy blue pieces, which will go here, and their tops, which go here. See that? That's how we're going to build our pansy, just like that. Okay, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Lots of bits, but all in all, not too difficult. Okay, so that's how we build that pansy. Then I have two leaves with their top bit. Now these are just jade ones and shaded spruce top bits. Two little leaves in just jade and shaded spruce top bits, and a pokey up leaf. Is that a thing? A pokey up leaf? And two little buds, so one in balmy blue and one in Pacific Point, and they sit in this bit like this. Okay, so all you got to do really is glue, lots of glue, and get glue everywhere. And I've still got it stuck to my fingernails because I've put one together already. Now, before I did put it together, I grabbed a sponge dauber and some balmy blue ink, and I just give it a little bit of highlight. So tap on that. Now, on the white piece, just going from the middle, and you won't see that Megatronic bit that's really, really dark because I should have daubed it off. It'll be underneath this piece. Okay, so it's not too drastic that we've made it really dark there. And just sponge out. Well, that bit will be. So yeah, tab it off first and then do your spongy bits. And also these two balmy blue pieces, we're going to sponge those from the middle, and your little balmy blue piece, sponge that from the middle. Okay, so yeah, that bit would need to recut that and start again, because that was a bit of a boo-boo, Miss Jane, bit of a boo-boo. Okay, that is how we put it together. And you know what we come up with? This beautiful pansy right here that I've put together already for you. So see, the sponging's not as bad on this one. Okay, so we have a beautiful pansy just here. Okay, and then we just need to make a card. So I have a piece of gone blank. So saffron. So it's half an A4, cut in half and scored and ready to go. Then I did take my rectangle stitch framelits, and I have cut a piece of basic white and a piece of this one, which is pattern, which see on the back is the pansies. That's from the Pansy Petals DSP. Okay, so they have those pieces ready just there. And then we're going to want a sentiment, aren't we? So we'll take my Stampin' Pearson mat, because we're using a photopolymer stamp set today. Happy birthday today, I think. and Pacific Point ink. Open her up and tap, tap, tap. And we'll stamp a sentiment in the middle. Oh, I knew it was going to come with me. I tried to put a fingernail in there. And we've got a sentiment. And now we are able to build our card. Okay, so let's get gluey. Gluey, gluey, gluey. Okay, I'm going to put that piece on that piece like this. So just gonna stick a bit in the middle. And so we see a little bit of the Design Series paper coming out from the side. Okay, and then stick all of this bit down. Do, 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 do. And over we go. Just like that in the middle. Okay, so got our beautiful pansy, and I've got lots of bits on the back. Now I have glued this, but then I've put some tape across and left the tape in place just so that I knew it was all secure. But then I've used a stack of dimensionals as well to pop it up. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the bottom right hand corner, around about there, like that. And our happy birthday, can just pop him here. And I think I might put dimensionals on the back of that too. It's just a couple of those. Off we go with the dimensionals, and we pop a happy birthday just here. And there we have a pretty pansy happy birthday card in yellows and blues, and the green, of course, for the leaves. Okay. So this is our lovely pansy card. I hope you like this, and I hope you will see that it's not too tricky to put your pansy together with the dies. And until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.